Hi guys, thank you guys for coming back to my channel. If you guys would like to know how to make this wreath, please keep watching. Ho ho ho! Alright guys, so you're gonna need a hanger, and I bent this to a circle, and some Christmas tree decorations that actually look like the tree, and then some ornaments, and of course a glue gun. Alright guys, so what you're gonna do now, you're going to use the decoration and you're going to wrap it around the hanger. And I did this for the three because I bought three of these. And then you were going to glue the ornaments to your desired taste, so that's where I placed mine. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I placed a bow on it that I bought as an ornament. So
I was following the pack, all swallowed in their coats, with scars of red tied round